Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, VIVO V17 Pro device, and now I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and how to insert CD card into this smartphone. So basically, like in VIVO V15 Pro device, we have several trays in one smartphone. So on the left side of our device, we have the CD card tray. So just insert the CD card here. And from the other side here, we have the SIM card tray. So open it, and here we have the tray for several SIM cards. Inserted, and great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to the our channel, and bye. See you.